Welcome back to Woodworker Express. What you see behind me is not a green screen. This is actually our kitchen and our new studio that we just set up. So we're going to be using this kitchen to demonstrate and show you all kinds of different products. Next on the list is going to be installing some decorative hardware. These are the WE Preferred Steel Collection pull, and this is 128 millimeter center to center polished chrome door pull. We're going to be using these on our doors and on our drawers, and I'm going to show you how to install these starting now. Okay, so first and foremost, you're going to want to figure out where you want your hardware on your door. And always make sure you open the door first before you go drilling anyway, to make sure you don't put it on the wrong side. Now, what I like to do is find a detail on the door such as this and pretend it follows all the way through and line my door hardware up like that. You also can put it in the center if you like. Just be careful, it'll be a lot harder to reach. And you could also put it more closer to the bottom and line the bottom up, and that is totally up to you. But for our demo, we're going to be putting it pretty much right there in line, and I'm going to look at it, stand back, say, okay, I think that's going to look great. Next, you're going to want to use some painter's tape, which we also have available on our web page. This will help you see your marks for when you drill your holes. So what I like to do is just put it, as close to center as possible and put it there. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is figure out what this distance is. And that is exactly 3 inches to where my, crevices is that I want to match. So I'm going to make a mark right at 3 inches. Now I will next find the center from left to right of the width of the stile. This on a door is called a stile. The left and right are called rails. So on my stile, I'm going to figure out it is a 3-inch stile. So I'm going to split that in half, and that'll be my nice 1.5 inch measurement that I will make a mark right there. And then I will bring my 3-inch mark right to there. And so now I just made a cross right there, and that will be my X marks the spot. All right, so now I'm going to find out my spread or my center to center measurement that is on my pull. So what you could do is just put the actual tape measure in the hole as much as you can and see where it comes up, and it's exactly 6 1/4. Or you can burn an inch and you can put it right at the 1 in the center of the hole to the center of the other hole, and as you see there, still going to be 6 1/4 inch. So now here's a little trick I like to do. You can go from here and just get a ballpark of where your 6 1/4 is, but the easiest way I think is adding, since this is a nice even number 3, I will add 3 inches to my 6 1/4, which will give me 9 1/4. So therefore, for every door that I'm going to be putting these on, I'll have an easier time just measuring from the bottom of the door. I know it's 9 1/4 up versus, measuring from here, and as you can see, it is 6 1/4. But by adding the 3 inches from here to my overall 6 1/4 measurement that I need, I can always just go from door to door, going from 3 and then right to 9 1/4 each time, and that will give me my marks. So now I'm going to measure my 1.5 inches here, and it's all right, so as you can see, I did go ahead and finish up most of this decorative hardware, but I do have a few more to install, and that is going to be on the next episode when I show you how to use this true position drill guide. Perfect for decorative hardware. It will make your time go by like it's nothing. Really cool product. I will show you how it works, how to use it, and how it will save you time and money. And as always, if this is your first time watching one of our videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified down below, and leave any questions that you might have or comments. More than happy to help you out. And don't forget to visit Woodworker Express.com for all of your hardware and woodworking needs. We will see you next time.